What's next?
All right. A marriage will crash if the wife is a social media freak. False, true, or false?
Here we go again with these narratives. Why does it have to be the wife? Why can't it be the husband?
Because women are not equal and we're different.
God. Here we go again.
Am I wrong? Are we equal? Are we equal? Let me play this clip before you continue.
Marriage crashes are especially when the lady is a social media freak. Any little thing takes to social media. So what would you expect? So one of the reasons for marriage crashes are especially when the lady is a social media freak. Any little thing takes to social media. So what would you expect for marriage?
So,
look at the person.
Shout out to Insta. Okay, I think this is Poco Lee down there. I don't know. I think the other person is one of the guys in Davido's camp. So they're kind of like celebrities of sorts, right? So he's saying when anything happens, you run to social media. Okay, that's one aspect of it, right? Shout out to Instablog Niger.
Is it just that going to social media to expose your issues, or going to social media for business? There are people who do business on social media.
Right.
So when you say social media freak, I need more context.
You need context.
Yeah. What does that mean?
So some people actually believe that a proper wife
should not be on social media.
Should not have. If your wife have an Instagram account, send her back to the streets.
She belongs to the streets.
Right?
Okay.
If your wife,
now wow.
If she has if your wife has a social media, especially Instagram account, send her back to the streets. She belongs to the streets. So you're saying you disagree with that?
Can you imagine?
So that's one aspect of it.
All my sisters here, they have businesses on social media.
Right.
Okay. So you're telling me
they shouldn't be showing their face.
They should not be on social media.
Like for example, Bimbo should only be showing her
hands and her legs.
Her wigs. Not the face. And Sheon sells marriage counseling, and she's a nurse, and she should just show stethoscope and her articles. Just write articles. Don't put her face on social media. And FZ she'll buy Paul social media. Go on to Jack. Right.
They say you're a social media freak. Oh. Hey.
So it's kind of crazy that there's still a lot of men running
thinking
this kind
like
of
that. I mean, look at the guy
rhetoric.
talking. I'm not surprised. I'm sorry. Sorry to judge him.
Are you saying these guys are not husband materials? Poco Lee is the guy who does this. That. And the other guys, Davido guys from Davido's camp, But I think, so you're saying you disagree, basically?
Absolutely.
Okay.
100%. You need me to spell it out?
All right. Yeah. Listen, the idea of trying to bring back 1960s into marriage is precisely what is killing the marriage institution. Clearly, the women are not buying into this bullshit.
It's bullshit.
Right? Now, in terms of if you are the kind of person that runs to social media, and by the way, if you're the kind of person to talk about your negative romantic experiences on social media, you don't even have to say it out. Depending on what you say, people can read that, oh Lord, this one is going through it again. People can pick up the vibe. Yeah. If you are a social media freak in that context, yes, your marriage will crash. It's a matter of time, right? But if we're just talking about just having a page on social media like everybody else in the world, and just having fun, like it's not that deep. Like
it's not that deep.
Else,
Can
right?
I share a few pictures?
No, I don't think it's that deep. Too, I don't think it's that deep. And I think men that moves in this way that think it's that deep will effectively lose their woman. Not because of the social media, because that shows in your energy in many other aspects of life. It sounds like a controlling person.
It is a controlling behavior.
Right? It's a controlling behavior. And if you don't allow a woman to, especially in this time and age, to go and come as she wills, like the cats that they are, yeah, you will basically create problems that never really existed for yourself. But again, we all have to move very, very in wisdom when it comes to social media. Social media is a double-edged sword.
It is.
And yes, it is destroying marriages, but not in this direct type of manner. But in very sort of people will go on social media, they don't even post, but they are paying attention to other people's negative experiences, and then they bring that back into their marriage.
The energy, yeah.
There's also that, you know. So, and there's also people that go on Clubhouse and listen to negative stories all day long, men and women. Okay, there are men right now that they listen to Kevin Samuel. Kevin Samuel claims that he has 50 people that have gotten married because of him, but there's also people that their wife are complaining now because now suddenly they are coming back home after listening to long conversations about Kevin Samuels, and they say, why do women do that? Why do every little thing that happens they are questioning the woman's move
and holding the woman accountable?
Effectively creating problems that never existed. And then you see people say, so are you saying that he doesn't have a point, like this thing didn't exist? No. The point is that, you know, marriage is a different beast. Anyone can run their mouth on social media and build 1 million subscribers, right? Keep in mind that there's something sensational about what they're saying and not the reality, and that's why they were able to build such a huge platform, right? That includes even the Pastor Kingsleys, right? And Pastor Kingsley, anyone that, the Steve Harveys, anyone that's built a huge platform, right? There's something that's sensational that seems like you can resonate with, you can relate with. That's making you believe what they have to say. It doesn't mean what they say is wrong. It's just that you can misinterpret it if you are only interpreting from a place of pain.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Right? So you have to really, really, including us. What am I talking about? Including us. You listen to us too much, you're gonna think, oh, these ones are always PDAing and always they're lovey-dovey, and you go back home and you don't learn proper application to whatever crisis you're going on in your marriage. It's going to backfire. There's always more. There's always more, and the more is in, we need to hear your story. We need to know what you are particularly going through, right? We need to bring everything you learn from a theoretical standpoint, we need to bring it down to real life examples. Because then you might find that there's no absolutes. Everyone's case is different. There are some things that are patterns, but there's some things that we know that is unique to your particular situation there, you know.
So social media, you still need balance at the end of the day.
Yes.
Don't bring social media on your dinner table.
Yes.
Don't bring social media into your bedroom while you're supposed to be spending time with your significant other.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
let's be using our brain small.
We have to be careful.
I have to say it that way. Because if you don't say it that way, some people don't understand.
They really don't get it. They think it's absolute. Oh, we just do it for God. Just follow God and it's all going to be well. Bullshit. The pastors don't tell you about the marriages that break up. They don't tell you about the guy that they are punishing because he slept with three girls in the
church
house, right? They don't tell you about the Samuel apostles of the word that basically gave himself a pass a week after the whole world found out he impregnated a person.
Not only
we only know about that because it's a celebrity.
Yeah.
Happens in the church all the time.
He actually told the person to do the needful. That's the part that pissed me off.
Right. Don't say that word here.
What?
To delete a baby. You can say delete a baby. You can't say the word.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's really, really annoying to me. But hey,
there is more to it.
The people following.
That's what we're saying. We're saying that there is more to the story, and you have to continue to pay attention to the fact that there is more to it than just some random pastor or guru interpretation from some books. And we need to bring it down. We need to listen a little bit longer enough to your particular story in order to help you if you're going through any kind of crisis. I should continue to learn, just like us too, because we're learning too, right?
Every day.
Yep.